Welcome to this module on 3 effective client hooking methods, essential for freelancers, marketers, and service providers. We are diving into proven strategies to convert leads into committed, long-term clients. Our goal is simple: to equip you with the methods needed to transition leads into valuable, long-term business relationships. Remember this core philosophy: sales isn't about closing deals. It's about building genuine relationships and providing undeniable value. The foundation of client hooking starts with understanding client psychology. What motivates their hiring decision? Clients don't hire on skills alone. They hire based on 3 key factors: trust, clarity regarding their problem, and confidence in your solution. Before hiring you, clients subconsciously ask, "Can I trust you? Do you understand my problem? And is the risk of inaction higher than hiring you?" Your communication must answer these. Let's explore the first effective method, the freemium model. This strategy involves offering valuable insights or limited services for free, such as free website audits or strategy outlines, to showcase your expertise. The purpose is to build trust and trigger reciprocity. When clients receive real, tangible value, they feel more confident choosing you for the paid work. Our second method is WIIFM, which stands for What's in it for me. WIIFM requires you to shift communication from features and processes to client outcomes. Clients only care about what they gain. Explain benefits clearly: higher conversions, brand growth, increased traffic, or reduced risk. This dramatically increases your conversion rates. The third and most powerful method is ethical FOMO, fear of missing out. Ethical FOMO involves educating clients on the consequences of inaction, such as competitors gaining market share or lost revenue. This technique creates urgency without resorting to pressure or manipulation, helping clients make informed, timely decisions. Beyond the 3 methods, mastering advanced communication hacks is vital for success. When sending a first message, always congratulate achievements, show genuine appreciation, and ask open-ended questions to start a dialogue, not a pitch. Respond professionally, without desperation. Your role is to guide clients with confidence toward the solution you provide. Finally, let's talk about objection handling and building relationships that last. Reframe price objections through value, showing the return on investment. Resolve hesitation by providing clear answers and confidence in your services. Client retention is built through early over-delivery and consistent, meaningful communication. The goal is trust that compounds into predictable freelancing success.